Hey everyone, Dave here, back another break. Today I'm going to be doing a blaster box of 2016 Top Series 2 Baseball. My girlfriend actually surprised me with this today. Pretty cool. 101 cards, including one commemorative MLB debut medallion card. You can also look for relic and autograph relics. They are hard to get, but they are possible. So what do we got here? Is this 10 packs? Yeah, 10 card packs plus the medallion card. And I'll show you guys the list here of who you could possibly get. So here's the list. And here's the odds. So let's get to it. Alrighty. I'm gonna save this for last. Okay. Here we go. Pack number 1. Ryan Strauss Borger, Mike Fultinovich, Chris Archer, Chichi Gonzalez, Xander Bogaerts, Carlos Correa Future Stars, Jimmy Nielsen, and I think this is the Berger's Best. Yeah. Rookie reprint. David Price, and many healthy returns. Make some room here. Cliff Pennington, Martin Perez, Raul Mondesi rookie, Carl Crawford, David Ross, Abraham Almonte, Kyle Larson first pitch, and I think that's, yeah. I do not actually have an iPhone or anything like that, so I actually don't have Google Play or an App Store. I have a Windows phone. So, I think people are buying those, though. What are the odds on those? Well, let me see what the odds are on those. Bunt code card. 1 in 5. Okay. And then bunt player card. 1 in 8,000. So it'll probably be another one of those. That's too bad. I know you can get some pretty cool stuff on the Bunt app. I think they're all digital though, but still people collect them. First pitch, Tony Gwynn, MLB debut, and that is the copper version. I think in the hanger box I got a Correa gold version. Cespedes and Cardinals. Okay. Chris Medlin, Danny Espinosa, Wilson Ramos, Mike Pelfrey, Evan Longoria, and a gold of Miami Marlins. Gold. It's going to be out of 2016. Ichiro, Chasing 3K. Insert. Anthony Rendon, Tyler Saladino, and Miguel Almonte. You know what they should have done? I don't think they did, and I think they only did Yeah, 30 or so of these. They should have done one for every hit. Just to make it an impossible set to get. Like that Yankee Legacy set they did years ago. I think there's only a few people who actually completed it. Avisail Garcia, Chris Davis, Keone Kella, I probably said that wrong. Danny Salazar, Future Stars, JT Realmuto, Greg Maddux, 100 Years, MLB debut, David Wright, and oh, look at that, another Mike Trout. I actually pulled this card in the hanger box, and I just got another one. Oh man, imagine that. 65th anniversary, that is a reprint. So it's right on the back. Right above Topps reprint. So second one of that. Kansas City Royals and Alex Wood, which it's not a bad one to get if you're going to get a double. Michael Saunders, Erasmo Ramirez, Mark Reynolds, Cole Hamels, Masahiro Tanaka. Oh, that's cool. Tribute to the kid. Ken Griffey Jr. Boy, that reminds me a lot of the either 2000 or 2001 Topps. They had an insert set that was kind of like that design back there, but brown instead of blue. Looks a lot like that. Random, I know. Josh Reddick, foil, not numbered. Tom Seaver, Burger's Best, reprint. Tony Cingrani and Lorenzo Cain. So a lot of inserts. I don't know what that is. Looks like MLB The Show. Cal Gibson, Tyler Duffy, rookie, Patrick Corbin, J.A. Happ, Kenley Jansen, Jimmy Jeffries, Hallowed Highlights, Robin Yount, and look at that. Now I got the bronze Correa. So I got the gold and the bronze now. MLB debut. Gregory Polanco and Chris Tillman. Whoops. Freddie Galvis, Max Kepler rookie. Jordan Lyles, Mikey Matuk, Will Smith, not the actor, Dustin Ackley, Mark Kana, and Ichiro, chasing 3K, and another bunt card. Red Sox and Jared Hughes. Adonis Garcia, Chris Stewart, Luis Valbuena, Zach Cosart, Nate Carnes, Carlos Rodon, Future Stars, and Chris Bryant, record setters insert, MLB debuts at Greinke insert, Milwaukee Brewers, and Kyle Crockett. Socrates Brito rookie, Trevor Plouffe, Scott Alexander rookie, Prince Fielder, Cody Ash, and an Eric Hosmer, Er's Best, rookie reprint, and a Ricky Henderson, 65th anniversary reprint. That's neat. I like the silver border. Caleb Cottom, Cincinnati Reds, and Jesse Chavez. I wonder if you can get the short prints or variations. I believe are the 42 Jackie Robinson Day jersey, where they're all wearing 42. I think those are the short prints. Corey Knebel, Vidal Nuno, Joey Votto, Sashio Akuma, Pedro Severino, James McCann, Future Stars, First Pitch, Rosie Rios, MLB debut, Noah Syndergaard, AJ Pierzynski, and San Francisco Giants. Okay, so a ton of inserts, one gold, which golds are 1 in 11. A couple of the bunt cards, but that's a lot of inserts. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, here we go. I can open it. There we go. Maybe. Who do we got? Oh, nice. That's pretty cool looking. Duke Snider. MLB debut. April 17th, 1947. Thick card. Heavy, too. Alrighty. That's a pretty cool looking card. Alright. That is a blaster of 2016 Topps Series 2. Like I said, a ton of inserts here. Only 2 parallels, though. A foil and the gold, which is right there. Marlins. Ton of the debuts. And a couple of the 65th anniversaries. So, quite a few inserts. And I'll have to go through and see if there were any short prints. I'm not sure if they have them in here or not, actually. Yep, base variation short print 1 in 69, and super short prints 1 in 681. So I will have to go through, check that. Oh, and there was also a couple of bunt cards for a free pack. So that's 2 free packs for bunt, but I don't have it. So, but alright, there you go. 2016 Topps Series 2. Thanks for watching, everyone.